It's Miss Kaysen. I'm going to go over your foundations board. It might be backwards, I'm not for sure. So on our foundations board, we have 4 lines. These are 4 lines that we will always write our letters on. We have the sky line, which is at the very top, just like the sky is. We have our plane line, our worm line, or our grass line, and then our worm line. So it goes sky line, plane line, grass line, worm line. What you're going to do today is I'm going to say lines and you're going to, or say the lines and you're going to practice by drawing a line. I'm going to explain because that sounds kind of confusing. So if I said, end of a Monday, I'm tired, apparently weak. Okay, so if I said draw a line from the plane line to the grass line, you would start at the plane line and go down to the grass line. Okay, I'm going to tell you 5 lines to draw. When you are finished, you'll take a picture with your camera and post it on Seesaw. So, 5 lines. Okay, first line. I would like you to draw a line from the sky line all the way down to the worm line. So we're drawing a line from the sky line all the way down to the worm line. Now I want you to remember, when you're using pencils, I sent you with a pencil grip for your pencils, but when you're using markers, you don't have those grips. So the way to hold your pencil is pinch and table. So you'll pinch your marker and then put this finger as a table. Pinch and table. So our first line, sky line down to worm line. Next, we're gonna go from our sky line down to grass line. So go from your sky line, draw a line to the grass line. Okay, now start at your plane line this time. Remember where our plane line is? Our plane line's right here. I want you to start at the plane line and go down to the grass line. Okay, now start at the plane line, go down to the worm line. If I'm going too fast, I do have a tendency to talk really fast, especially like right now I don't have someone here watching. You can pause me and draw your line, or you could rewatch it. It's up to you. I'll say them again at the end, but I do know I talk fast. I'm working on it. So we have 4 lines so far. The last line I would like you to do is draw a line from the sky line to the plane line. That is your last line. So I'll go over the lines again. Draw a line. Remember, this was my practice, so you don't have to just ignore that. Draw a line from the sky line down to the grass line. Draw a line from the sky line. Oh, did I say grass line? Sorry, guys. Draw a line from the, it's a Monday. Draw a line from the sky line down to the worm line. That's your first line. Your second line, draw it from the sky line down to the grass line. Your third line, draw a line from the plane line to the grass line. Your fourth line, draw from the plane line down to the worm line. And then your last line is sky line to plane line. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.